It's time to start designing with our ears. That's because the sound around us profoundly affects our happiness, effectiveness, and our well-being. Hard, reflective ceilings in spaces like this bounce back most of the sound that hits them, making the room unpleasant to live, work, or relax in. We like the clean, bright aesthetic of plasterboard in our offices, hotels, restaurants, and our homes, but not the cacophony that often comes with it. Until now, we've had to compromise, choosing sight or sound, aesthetics or acoustics, and most of the time, the eyes have it. Now, at last, there is a way to design great aesthetics and great acoustics. Let me walk you through to a new world. This space looks the same, bright, clean, stylish, but you can hear that it sounds completely different. This is Eleganza from Knauf Ceilings solutions that reflects light beautifully, but absorbs 95% of the sound that hits it, and making any space calmer and more comfortable to be in. This is genuinely transformative. Class A acoustic performance combined with a classic, clean aesthetic. Now at last, we can design for the eyes and the ears as well at the same time. Installed on Armstrong drywall grid, Eleganza is quick and cost-effective to fit. Forget compromise. This is congruence. Sight and sound working together in harmony, restoring happiness, effectiveness, and well-being in offices, in hotels, in restaurants, and in homes. Eleganza, ceiling design for all the senses, including common sense. Well done, Armstrong.